Now, this ends the entire series of Lambda in depth in Java. है ना, ये पूरी series मैंने conclude करी है. I started up with the very basics till the very advanced of Java, Lambdas in Java, and I've given some assignments too. If you've got any problem with the assignments, I mentioned by mail ID in the description. You can mail me. You can ask your doubts. If you want any custom coachings, any help on Java, you're most welcome. You can mail me out. Even I'll share my WhatsApp number in the description. You can WhatsApp me too. And if you want me to develop more content, you can share the topics in which you want more contents. I can develop video series on that. So thank you for watching the series. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.